Hello everybody, this is Carrie Rodriguez with Carrie's Workshop. I wanted to show you some journal kits that I just finished. We'll do a flip through. As you can see, I have 4 available. We'll flip through one of them. I've used the collection My Mind's Eye Bliss. Such beautiful paper. And we'll flip through this one. It is traveler's notebook size, so it's 4.5 by 8.25. I've included this ribbon. Here's the front of this one. I've stitched in some coordinating fabric. There's a doily, a bag you can put something inside of, a tuck spot. This one's also open for a large pocket, goes all the way down. An envelope which you can put stuff inside of, some graph paper, some copy paper. On this one I've included a side pocket which you can journal in here, hidden journaling spot. I've used some washi on this paper and it flips out. Some lined paper, several pages. That flips out. There's that one. And here's a folder. Here's the middle. I've stitched them in. Other side of the folder, and I've included this piece. Here's the other side of the scrap paper. Few pages of lined paper. On this one I've added a fabric flip which is sewn in, and then the several pages of copy paper for journaling, the graph paper. This one's open also, so you can put stuff inside there. There's a tuck spot, and then this side is open as well. Right there. And then the bag, and then the doily, and there's the fabric. And I just have it tied closed with this ribbon, which matches perfectly. And let's go through the bag that comes with it. Each of them have the same items, the same amount. Here is a pen, which has the paper inside, so that will be included. Okay, so for right here, I have a gold paper clip. There are 2 of them included. We'll go through this bag in a moment. So it comes with an envelope, which we'll open right now, 2 tags, and 2 project life cards, larger size. So in here, there's a lot of die cuts, which I'll show you. There's 2 tabs. You can glue them anywhere in the journal, on the top or on the side. And then as you're journaling, you can use these to decorate. So there's some little leaves, a heart, some butterflies. There's these 2, which look pretty if you glued one on top of the other. That would look pretty. There's a small tag. There's flags. And then there's this piece here with gold. It's beautiful. There's 2 of those. This one says hello. Some hearts. There's a star. An arrow. And then this piece, diamond. So all of this is included, and some of these may vary. Like this piece is not in each one, but it does, the other kits do have one that is similar to it. in shape and design. So put these back. So these will all go inside this envelope here, which you can take everything out and then use the envelope, put some paper in it, and then either glue it down right here on your page, so then you have a pocket and still opens up and you can put stuff inside the envelope. You can paper clip it to the page, or you can just glue it down completely and stick it on. So we'll look at this little one here. All of them have the same amount of supplies as well as the same design. So there's several laces. There's a good size of this one here. There's this one. And these I have cut to this specific size, which I'll show you why. So those three are the same size, and that's because if you get your journal and you're decorating it, you can glue that on top there, or on top of this one. Obviously maybe not right here, but in another page you can cut it in half. You can cut them into pieces and make tabs. So you can do several different things with these. And then this one's a little bit longer. So there's 8 little hearts. That would look really beautiful right here. And that's why this one, this journal right here, I've put the smile down here so it gives you enough room. If you want to glue that down there, you can. That looks nice. So there's enough of those, and then you can cut them individually and use them on your page if you put pictures or whatever. And then there's a good amount of this, over 30 inches, over this white satin ribbon. You can make bows with it. There's 2 bulb pins. There's a locket here, which opens. And it has a claw clasp. And then another gold paper clip. And some flat back pearls, which you can glue on. And then some of these. So all of this is included. And then this one here has lots of goodies. Okay, so I've included this beautiful gold lace. This fabric here. It's very pretty. Some lace. So that's would look very nice decorating. It's a good amount. Glue it on your page. Then put some other things on top of it. This also, which matches perfectly, and it's fun to use. There's enough of it, well, because I have enough of it, so I wanted to share it. But you can make a little tassel. Make a little tassel, and then put a hole here or here. We'll put an eyelet, and then you can hang this on the side or over here. That would look cute. So there's enough of that where you can make a tassel and use it in your journal for decorations. And then this is, I'm not sure what material this is, very thin, as you can see, but it's very pretty, matches nicely. There's a little envelope with a piece of paper inside of there. And then there's some Project Life cards, 4 of them that match perfectly with the colors. And then there's this envelope here. I didn't put anything inside of it. I got these from Michael's. And then I've included this picture frame and then some washi tape. This was my first time making this washi tape. This is some laminating paper that I had just excess of, And so I cut it down here, put a hole on the top with this string, and then I have these 4 matching washies, and I kind of put them a little tight, so it's a little uneven, but it works. It's washi tape. So those are the kits that I have. All of this, everything here that you see, is included with a journal. So this all comes together. So I just wanted to briefly show you the other ones. So this isn't the other one that I showed you. And they have the same. There's a slight difference. 2 of them have this envelope, or folder, excuse me. And so they have the side pockets, several pages. This flips out. This is the center page. And the fabric. And then the other side. So I think that's the only difference here on this one, which 2 of them have that folder. So this one's Smile. This one's Beautiful New Day. This one is XOXO. So here's the cover. So pretty with the gold foil. These were from the dollar store, and there was a folder, which I cut down and made into a mini folder. It was a large 8.5 by 11. And then this is the paper inside. Everything else is pretty much the same. I just love these journals. They're so beautiful. And then here's the other one, Be You. This was a Project Life card. Sorry for the glare. I made a frame, and then I glued these die cuts. So this one has pocket, and then a pocket up there. The envelope. And this is the page in the middle. Everything else is the same as the first one we flipped through. So if you're interested in purchasing one of these kits, I will have everything in the description box. The charge includes shipping. This is a bulky package, so I'm gonna have to see. It doesn't weigh that much, but I don't know if it's gonna fit in an envelope. But I am willing to ship, so standard 3 to 5 days. These are the 4: Be You, Smile, Beautiful New Day, and XOXO. So if you are interested in one of these, do message me on Facebook through my page, Carrie's Workshop. You can like my page to ensure that you see future posts, or you can send me an email, which I will have my email information also listed below. Every kit, as I mentioned, has all of these items. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to see more. Leave a comment below. And I hope you have a great day, everybody. I'll see you later. Bye.